This is a used 2006 Toyota Land Cruiser, powered by 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.